No matter how many times I do this, it fails over and over and over again. However, you can disconnect it via Bluetooth. I'll lock it again. It's locked. We can hit back on the phone. Back. We gotta run it again, so stupid. And then we're going to hit unlock. Well, we go to the lock itself. Hit unlock. Oh, and it crashes. Don't you love that? That does that a lot too. Hit OK. Let's run the app again. And let's see. We pick the lock. Let me click unlock. Oh, crashed again. Sometimes it works. Here we go. So guys, I'm trying to program this lock, and it's telling me to do that on the screen. Now, for one, I'm doing it on a different phone because it's asking for all kinds of permissions for a lock. You have access to pictures, contacts, all kinds of stuff. My location. It's a lock. I shouldn't need to have access to my location. So now I'm asking. Now it's asking me to program it. Every time I pass my thumb through this thing, it keeps on saying it's not recording. Red. It doesn't go green at all, ever. Doesn't go green at all, ever. So like, this is like the worst piece of crap I've ever seen. Stay clear of this thing. It's garbage. And do not buy it.